Hi everybody, this is Linda and welcome back to Hands That Cook. Today we're going to make foolproof fudge. And there's no baking involved, no cooking on the stove. I've already melted 4 tablespoons of butter. And I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla to this bowl. Now I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. It cannot be evaporated milk. It's got to be sweetened condensed. We're going to add that in. Try to get all of it out of the container. This is no fail. This is going to turn out every time. And you know, this weekend we got the championship games coming up. The last of the football, I guess, for this year. I'm going to stir that in. Now, before you get into this, you need to butter an 8 by 8 inch pan. Not metal. Glass pan. And get this all mixed in. I can't wait for this to be done. Alright, I think that's good enough. Now, we're going to add in a 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips. And be sure and use a good brand. I hate to say this, but I've tried all these and it doesn't melt like it's supposed to. So I've got Nestle's semi-sweet, a 12-ounce bag. Well, actually this is Walmart brand. Chocolate chips. And I'm going to stir them in. And now I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So I'll bring you back. I'm going to stir it. It doesn't look melted, but it's beginning to melt. So I'm going to put it in there about maybe 30 more seconds, but I'm going to stop it at 20 to see how it's doing. You can't have any little little nubs of chocolate. You want it smooth. So I'll bring you back. This is 30 more seconds. I can still see the chocolate in here, but that makes a minute. I think it's going to take about 20 more seconds because it's not quite melted. And don't burn your chocolate. Don't over microwave it, because if you do, you got to start over. There is nothing worse than burnt chocolate. Yeah, I'm going to put it in about 20 more seconds. I'll bring you back. Well, here we are. And I believe this is smooth. So it took mine about 80 seconds to get to this. And I'm going to stir it real good. You can see it's shiny. Smells like fudge. Right now I'm going to add a cup of walnuts. You can use pecans or any kind of nut you want. Yeah, that's 1 cup. I'm going to stir them in. And now I'm going to get that bowl, that 8x8 dish that I buttered. And I'm going to put it in there. All right. Push it to the corners. And give it a shake. Now, this is finished, except you've got to put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours till it hardens. It'll harden staying out, but it takes much longer. So when this hardens, I'll bring you back. Hi everybody, we're back. And this fudge is done. And it's creamy and so good. Sam's going to taste a piece for you and let you know how good it is. So come on over here, Sam.
What kind of nuts does it have in it?
It has walnuts. And I used semi-sweet chocolate, but you can use milk chocolate.
It's awfully creamy.
Let me show them the inside. Ooh. See his teeth marks? Y'all.
That's fudge right there.
It tastes good, doesn't it, Sam?
Very delicious.
Well, I'll put the recipe in the Show More section below this video, as simple as it is, so that you'll have it. And you can make it. Make it today and have it tomorrow, or have it later today after it's gotten cold. But here it is. It's wonderful fudge. It really is. So thank you for coming in today and spending part of your day with me. Until next time, you all take care, and may God bless every one of you.